In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install fonts in CapCut on your PC. If you've ever wanted to use a specific font in your CapCut projects but couldn't find it in the default list, this tutorial is for you. We'll go through the full process of finding a font, installing it in Windows, and then making sure it shows up properly inside CapCut. First, you'll need to find and download the font you want. Open your web browser and search for the font name, or simply search for free fonts to explore different styles. Make sure you're downloading from a trusted font website, and always check that the font license allows you to use it for your type of project, especially if it's for commercial work. Once you've picked a font, download the file to your computer. Most fonts will come in a zip file. Locate that downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder, then right-click and choose to extract it. Inside, you'll usually see files ending in TTF or OTF. These are the font files you'll be installing. To install the font on Windows, right-click the TTF or OTF file and select Install or Install for all users. Windows will quickly process it and add it to your system fonts. If you want to double-check that it's installed, you can open the Settings app, search for fonts, and look for the font name in the list. Now, let's bring that font into CapCut. If CapCut is already open, it's best to close and reopen it so that it can refresh and detect any newly installed system fonts. Once CapCut is open again, create a new project or open an existing one. Add some text to your timeline using the Text tool. With the text selected, look at the font section in the Text Settings panel. You should now see your newly installed font in the list, usually mixed in with the default fonts. Scroll through the list or type the font name in the search box if there is one. Click on your font to apply it to the text. You can now adjust the size, spacing, and other formatting as you normally would, but with your custom font in place. And that's it. You've successfully installed a new font on your PC and used it inside CapCut, giving your video edits a more personalized and professional look.